In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can add a lead source to a client that we enter into our Locked On account. First of all, it's best that you establish the common lead sources that you will have in your agency. To do this, come to the left-hand side menu and go into Engine and then select Customizations. Now that you're in Customizations, the first area you can create and edit is lead sources. From the list here, simply delete the ones that you do not need by using the delete option, and add in any new ones that you want to put in by hitting the add label option. Once you have made a new change, you can then activate it and save that option. So if we now go to your clients database, once you have a client entered to the system, you'll be able to go into your client record, go to the information section, to go into the general section, and select the lead source of where you met this particular client. Once you have selected that, update the general information for your changes to be saved.